Hey everybody, this is another continuation of the lesson 1 in unit 3 where we're talking about vertical angles and linear pairs. So after we understand what the terms like complementary, meaning that they add to 90 degrees, supplementary means that they add to 180, vertical angles, so angles that are opposite of each other like here, of intersecting lines are congruent, and linear pair, meaning that if you have a straight line, the angles that form that line have to add up to 180. We can start to basically incorporate these ideas into more, complex diagrams like this. So in this example, we look at this symbol right here, so upside down T. So this statement would read, if ray BD is perpendicular to, that's what this symbol means here, is that perpendicular, so it creates right angles. So if ray BD is perpendicular to AC, or line AC, what it means, so disregarding the rest of it, just looking at this very first part here, what it means is that these angles right here are right angles. So that means that this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees. And together, because this is a straight line, together they should be 180. That's why both of them are 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 is 180. So just at this very first part, it says ray BD is perpendicular to line AC. We should be able to say that these angles are perpendicular because this is where BD, this ray, kind of meets AC. All right. Then from here, it tells you that angle DBE is 2x minus 1. So DBE is this small angle right here. And then CBE, measure of angle CBE, is 5x minus 42. So CBE is this other angle right here. And again, so we have DBE is 2x minus 1. This angle right here is 5x minus 42. And you should realize that this whole angle, DBC, is 90 degrees because we know that it's perpendicular. So the setup here is that, so again, because it's perpendicular to AC, it means that angle DBC is 90 degrees. We could also incorporate the angle addition postulate here, that if we kind of just focus on this angle DBC, we know that it has to add up to 90 degrees. So that means that this angle DBE plus this angle CBE or EBC, these two angles together have to add up to 90 because that's a 90 degree angle. So we could use the angle addition postulate to basically set up a problem and then substitute. So DBE we know is 2x minus 1, so we just substitute in. We know that EBC or CBE is the same angle as 5x minus 42. And then we know that DBC is 90 degrees, so we set it equal to 90 degrees because if you add these two angles together, they have to add up to 90. Then we go ahead and just combine like terms on the left-hand side. Here we'll have 7x and then minus 43. Still 90 on the right-hand side. Add 43 to both sides. And then lastly, divide by 7, so x has to equal 19. Now, we could also take the 19 and plug it back in to figure out what each angle is, but this problem only says to find the value of x, so that's how we solve that.